Good day everyone. Today, we will present our final presentation of prototype in our enterprise architecture. My name is Keisha Andriati Socias together with Rafael B. Mandolado and Von Christian Carl Molina. Let's begin. Dashboard. This first image shows the dashboard of the inventory management system. The dashboard serves as the main overview of the entire inventory. At the top, we can see summary cards that display key information such as the total numbers of product, low stock items, out of stock items, and the total inventory value. These indicators help the users quickly understand the current condition of the inventory without checking individual products.
In inventory list, the second image shows the inventory list page. These sections provide a detailed table of all products stored in the system. Each row displays important information such as the product name, SKU, category, quantity, price, stock status, and supplier. The color-coded status labels such as in stock, low stock, and out of stock make it easy to identify product availability at a glance. On the right side of each product row, there are action buttons that allows the user to edit or delete product information. At the top of the page, search bar is available to users can quickly find specific products, making inventory management faster and more efficient.
3.
Add or update stock. The third image shows the add new product or stock management page. These sections allow user to input new products into the system. The form includes fields for product name, SKU category, supplier, initial quantity, minimum stock level, and price. This field ensures that the necessary information is recorded accurately. Once the details are filled in, the user can click the Add Product button to save the item to the inventory. This page plays an important role in maintaining accurate stock record and ensures that the products are properly tracked from the moment they are added to the system.
Inventory reports. This part of a system is the inventory report section. It shows a complete summary of the inventories using visual reports and detailed data. At the top, we can see summary boxes that display the total number of products, the total value of all items, the total units in stock, and the number of products categories. This gives a quick overview of the inventory status. Next is the stock status distribution pie chart. These charts show how products are classified based on their
3.
availability, such as in stock, low stock, or out of stock. It helps easily identify which item need attention or stocking. Besides, it is the inventory value by category by bar chart.
3.
These show how much value each category contributes to the overall inventory, making it easier to compare categories like electronics, furniture, and accessories. Below that is the top product stock level chart. This compares the current stock of the product with their minimum required stock, helping ensure that items do not fall below phase stock levels. Lastly, there is the detailed product list table. This table shows important products detailed such as the product name, SKU, category, quantity, minimum stock, price, total value, and stock status. It provides complete information for checking reporting purposes.
And that's all for our presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye!